All right, guys. First thing we want to do is go to CapCut.com. That's what we're going to be doing. We're going to do it online. You could use the desktop version, but I know some of you guys might not have the desktop. You might be doing it on your phone. So I wanted to just do the online version without using the app. So the first thing you want to do is go to CapCut.com. And the next thing I want to do is upload. So we're gonna click upload. We're gonna upload a folder, okay? Then we're gonna go to downloads, and then we're gonna upload the folder with all the videos in it. Okay, so uploading 31 files. So right now it's all loading up. And what you're seeing right here is me actually building out you guys a SOP for this. And I wanted to have a training video to go along with it too. So the first video, what I'm seeing, I'm gonna get off. All right. And then first thing we want to do is we're gonna look for the videos. I usually start with the outside video. So I'll start with the outside video. Check this out. You wanna check it out. Right when you start moving, that's when you want to get started. We're getting straight into this. Right when you start moving, you want to slide and cut it right there. And you want to press play and make sure it's smooth. See how smooth that look? Me, I even like to sometimes trim it and then start it when it's starting to come backwards because it gives it a nice flow. So you want to trim to your liking. Boom. Okay, I'm gonna start it right there. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look for when I first walked into the building, okay, which is right here. Then I want to go to transitions and I want to look for something simple but something that'll catch their attention. Usually I use one of these light effects or something like that. So it's just something simple, like a little glare right here. You see me dragging that right there. You see how now we inside of the building? Check this out. Now we inside of the building. And now we flowing. Now I'm going in and out of the kitchen. And then I like to do a 360 just to kind of get them a view of what everything looks like. Then another view of back over the kitchen. And I'll use that as a transition. So something fire that is right here, I'm gonna click right here, and then I want to speed this up, okay? So what I'm gonna do is go to speed right here, and I want to speed this up probably like 2x. Let's see how I look. You hear me running? All right, let's cut the audio down. That's the number one thing we want to do here. And I want to speed this up some more. So I'm going back to speed. I'm gonna click X right here. I'm gonna go back to speed and I'm gonna let's do like six. Let's like do like six. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna press pause right there because I want to split it. I want to split that and I want to come back to that video. The reason I want to come back because it was just too long, okay? These videos are just meant to show these people what it looked like in the inside, okay? Don't get overwhelmed with, oh, it doesn't look great, it doesn't look amazing. It's like, nah. This is just to show people what the house looked like. Remember, audio down, go to the speed, returning the speed up at 2x first to see how it looks. Let's go back to the very beginning now and check it out. All right, once again, the video is too long. I just want to catch it right when we coming in. Just want to catch it right when we coming in real quick. And I'm gonna split again. Then I want to delete that. You just press the delete button. Then we wanna go into the next. We're gonna go into the bathroom next. Remember, I just always want to make sure that the video is clean. It got to have a good flow to it. So I'm gonna go back to transitions and hit them with that glare again, and then go right back to it. I'm gonna hit the glare again right here. So as you see, I got these three things going on. So let's check out how the transitions is rolling. All right, boom, boom, and don't forget we want to turn the audio down to 0. Right here, we could do something nice right here. We can move it to where it's starting to change, and then we could speed this up to about like 6, 7x, and then we could maneuver right back out of there. Did you see that? Look how this did. Going fast, then we out of there. Then we go glare it one more time. But what I'm gonna change this video to, I'm gonna go to the back bedroom. Back bedroom right here. Back bedroom, I'm gonna hit him with the spin. All right. Now, as you can see, that was a command B. That way you can just split. But I'm gonna do this one with the speed. I'm gonna speed it up 2x, and this one I'm gonna speed up like a 6, 7, 8x, 9x. Let's do 9x. All right, out of that bathroom, and that's why we always cut the audio down right there. You get to hearing you running around like a little clown. Make sure you turn the volume down, guys. Now this right here, it kind of we go back. That's a little too fast. Let's go back and let's do like a 6x. And let's make sure it look like I accidentally deleted this, but we want to put that glare right back here. Oh, okay. Yeah, we're gonna delete that. All right. I liked it the kind of flow. So let's go to like a 8x. See what 7x look like. Yeah, that's good enough for somebody to see. Boom, we're gonna glare back out of there. Now we back in the bathroom. I mean, now we back in the living room. Bring it back out like that. All right, we're not gonna keep that living room there. We're gonna move that, and we're gonna head to the next room. The next room, and when you make a mistake, you can press Command Z, as you see right there. So the next room that's in the back, go to that. Add this in here. Remember, we're going to transitions and we're grabbing the glare. Okay, that was a picture. Remember, HIC is a picture. So that was my mistake right there. We'll go to the room where it's an actual video, and that would be this video right here. Remember transitions, we hitting them with the glare. And there's plenty of transitions to choose from in here, guys. You guys can choose anything you want. Boom. Remember, cut the audio down. All right. You see how that thing kind of did that? This is some extra sauce right here. When it's like about to go in, like when it's about to finally go up under there and glare out, I want to put another split, but I want that last little piece right there to go as fast as possible, almost like 9x. So let's see how that look. Yeah. No, this video, this part right here, let me scroll it down. You see how you always want to catch it when it's like starting. And then I believe I got one more video after that one to add. I believe that'll do it. So I'm actually gonna slow this one down. All right, that was 20 seconds of editing, worth of editing. Let's check out how it all looks. Remember, all audio need to be turned down. All right. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna go to the last video, which is me actually introducing the video. So this is the intro. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the. All right. The reason I'm going so hard right there is you got to catch people attention and let them know you're excited to show them something. So don't trip on me. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the Flip Marketplace YouTube channel where we'll be hosting all of our brand new listings for you guys to come check out. If you want to book a tour to come see this home in person, all you have to do is call 864-803-3153. With that being said, enjoy the tour. Boom, done. We're going we're gonna split. We're gonna get up out of there. Ooh, I like that. With that being said, enjoy the tour. And I'm just going through now just to double check, make sure everything riding smooth. First things first is just putting stuff together, then you can smooth things out. So I probably want to come back just a little bit on this. And you can zoom in right here and you can get in depth with it. Right. Quick 40 seconds. Um, let's see if I got any other video when I was saying anything. Right now, I don't think I do, but I want to say this. This is a good time for you to tell people requirements. Um, rental requirements, park requirements. That's th- excuse me. Sorry about that, y'all. I got a little cold. But right here at the end, you can really juice up the fact that, all the things that you might want to let the people know to be pre-qualified. I usually send the automation inside the system. So sometimes I'll do it in the video, sometimes I'm not. So I just switch it up and I'm just testing the algorithm to see which one do I really like. So this was 122 Bird Street, Union, SC, lot number one, lot number one. And we're gonna export this thing. So this is gonna be how to use the media. Um, we're gonna call this something else though. But I'm gonna make sure I put this link right here so you guys can see. And we're gonna go back to CapCut. Once again, we're just gonna get up out of here. We're gonna export this thing. And we're gonna download it 1080p. And you're gonna export it just like this. Now, me, honestly, I prefer to use the CapCut desktop, but I wanted to be able to not give nobody no excuses on why they can't be able to get this done. Um, this is me editing the video on CapCut Online, and the next video will be me editing the video on CapCut Desktop. So is everything is gonna basically be the same. It's just you can now export in 4K and without having to pay to get anything. But this is the free version all around. The desktop version is free too, but I got the pro, and I'm gonna show you guys what the difference look like with the pro. Is they got a couple more little things and you can do. So, with that being said, once you export this, you just upload it to your YouTube channel. You just upload this to your YouTube channel. You go to create, upload video, and then you'll select the file and drag it into here. And that's how you do it right there. This is how you start the YouTube channel and get it going. You want to be doing these type of things. I'm trying to tell y'all, this is important to be able to start a YouTube channel and just even start growth, with YouTube, and just start like even like how I'm doing these videos and talking to you guys and showing you exactly how to do it. Like this is important. So I hope you guys take this serious. If you got any questions about editing, just drop it in the community. I wanted to give you guys some good value on how I edit these videos for YouTube and with the mobile homes.